Assalamu alaikum. This is how to submit Astrometrica report. The first thing you need to do is to always open the application from the C drive, not from the desktop, to avoid errors. So you just double click on the application. You can maximize. So I'll take you through the steps step by step. So it will take just a minute or so to open the application. So once the application is open, the first step is to load the images. So you click on this icon, load the images. In my case, I've saved them under C drive, ABM NASA trip, and then I have the latest images here, images of 10th December. So for example, always make sure that if it is PS1 here, then your files are PS1. If it's PS2, you need to change to PS2 by simply going at the blue tools here and then changing it to PS2. So assuming that your file is PS1, and then you just, of course, you have already unzipped the files at this stage. So just select all of them, Control A, and open the files. So you'll have 4 images opened. Number one is to go and astrometric data reduction. This is the first step you have to do. That is one. Actually, there are three, so two more to go before you blink and start looking for the moving objects. So the first thing you need to do is data reduction. And if you get any error, just let me know so you can contact me. I'll show you how to solve those errors. You just close this one here. The next thing is moving objects detection. Click on it as well. Okay, and you'll have one more icon to click after this one. And then you start blinking. So just takes a while. Okay, almost done. Almost. Reduction is the one that takes longer than the rest. The second one. So we just, you need to be patient here. Do not interrupt it or stop it. Let it complete. So this is done. Also close this. Your report, by the way, should always have this bell curve, yeah? If it's moving, it needs to have this bell curve. So if it's straight, it won't work. So this is just close this because that is not yours. And the last one is non-objects overlay. This is the last one you have to click. So this is, I guess, is quicker than the previous one. So it just detects objects that have already been detected and it identifies them. So after you do the 3 steps, you just fit to screen here, and then you zoom, and then you blink. Okay. So if it comes here, you just move it somewhere here, and you can zoom to look for the objects that are moving. So just you can scroll up and down and so on until you find your object. Once you find it, just stop and then you give it a name by clicking here. So uh, you just give it a three code name and 4 digit number. So you have to make sure that you do it on all the 4 images, not only one. So after that, the only thing remaining now is just to go to File, View MPC Report. You will find the report here. Just highlight it. Just highlight it. It won't work to Control A. So highlight it. Control C or copy. You come to your report here. And then, for example, you select your name. Select here your name, the submitting report, and of course you need to select which images. You need to remember which one it was. okay, accordingly. Just make sure you have the right report, and you just go here, Control V, so your report will be here, and submit, and you should get a successful submission. That's how it works. If there any error messages, please let me know, and I will help out. I need to stop.